question number B. Here you have vector P and vector Q. This is vector P and this is vector Q. This means the value of the vector R, if the R is equal to vector P minus vector Q, right? So now vector P direction downward and vector Q direction to upward. So if you use draw the triangle here, right? Triangle here. Say this triangle here, you can resolve P here, vector P here, vector P here to the x-axis. So this is Px, direction to the left. Or you can resolve vector P to the y-axis, or you can use the direction, this is Py. Same to the vector Q here, direction to the upward, so meaning this is opposite, this is a Qx. And this is resolved to the x positive, this is Qx, this is Qy, sorry. Now the next step there, to find the value of the vector R minus vector P is equal to R is equal to vector P minus vector Q. So first you start from vector, let's say vector P, right? Vector P here. So P, we have the say use green color. This is for the x. Okay, so for the x here, vector P, this is vector P. Okay, I use vector P here, and this is vector Q, right? So for the x here, P, vector P, downward resolve to the x, you can use the angle theta degree, so meaning because direct to the left, so we have magnitude 5.6, so meaning that goes to the left minus 5.6, use cos 30 degree, cos 30, this is direction to the left, right? Okay, so now we have this is for x and this is for y. So for Py here, direction downward, also negative 5.6, 5.6. So opposite, use a sine 30, right? So this is for the P. And if you use the calculator here, the value here minus 5.6 cos 30, this is equal to cos 30 minus 4.85. But here is minus 5.6 sine 30, this is equal to minus 2.80. This is for the P. So what happened to the Q? Because Q to the right, so meaning Qy and Qx is positive. So for the Qx, resolve Q to the x-axis here, so meaning 4.8 cos 20, and this is Qy here, so 4.8 opposite, so use a sine 20. So if you use the calculator here, the value of the 4.8 cos 20, this is equal to 4.51, and here we have a 4.8 sine 20, this is equal to 1.64. So now, so right here, so because the vector R is equal to vector P minus vector Q, so this is vector P x P y Q x Q y, right? So for the P here, for the x here, minus 4.65, and y minus 2.80, also Q, Qx and the Qy. So you can find the value of the R this is P minus Q. P vector P minus vector Q. Okay, let's say Rx, Px, Qx. So this is equal to minus 4.85, okay, minus 4.51. Okay, so this is equal to minus 9.36. Right. So same process to the Ry. Ry is equal to P y minus Q y. This is Py, this is Qy. So this is equal to minus 2.80 minus 1.64. This is equal to minus 4.44. So this is Rx and this is Ry. So if you write the value of vector R here, so vector R here, the vector R in the unit vector, we have a for the x, this is equal to minus 6i minus 4.44j. Or you can find the value of magnitude of R here by using the square root R x square plus Ry square. Right? So the value of the R here 9.36 square, the value of Ry 4.4 square, so you can find the value here is equal to 10.36 meter. Right? Okay, so next, if you find to calculate the angle R, the value of angle R here, because you have two vector, vector Q and vector P here, vector P and vector Q, so meaning you have a resultant. So R is a, let's say, resultant force. So what is the resultant? This is a resultant. What is the angle? So what is the position of the R in the diagram? So you can use the equation tangent theta is equal to Ry divided by Rx. So meaning here you can find the value of the theta inverse tangent Ry over Rx. So this is Ry and this is Rx. So you can use the value of Ry and Rx here. So you can find the value of the theta is equal to 25.38 degree. So what is the position here? So position here, if you look at the diagram, the theta, because this is 4 and this is 5, meaning the 5.6, this is magnitude P greater than Q. So resultant must around the first quadrant, second and the third quadrant. Yeah. Here, this is vector R, direction to the downward, and the angle here is 25.38 degree. So this is the angle here. Okay, that's all. Thank you.